Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for December 25th through January 8th. This is what the pattern looks like on Christmas Day. We still have our strong pause-height anomalies here and over Greenland. And we have a trough extending from northern Canada into the west. Zone of float above normal heights across a large area of the nation, and we have a trough over the northeast. The ridge, the western trough will support an extended period of precipitation along with below normal temperatures across a large portion of the west. Snow in the higher elevations. Okay, I want to get into something that's going on here. We're starting to see changes possible in the polar vortex. This from the European site. And we're starting to see an elongation of this occurring in early January. And an elongation could lead to weakening of the polar vortex. This is here on the European site. And then we also have it here on the AccuWeather site. So seeing elongation here, see of the polar vortex. This is in the GFS. So there's signs of things coming, and I'm finally catching up to the teleconnection with the teleconnection indexes that I showed you yesterday. And okay, I'm gonna go on to other things now. We're gonna look at the forecast for December 25th to the 29th. And we will have individual waves moving across in this. And this will be carried to the west in the west-southwesterly flow across the nation. And send a series of frontal systems to the Colorado Rockies and then onward onto the Midwest. Excuse me. This will bring snow to the northern states and rain, of course, south central states. So we have snow here and then rain further south. And then we'll have a well-defined system that'll be digging into the west on Saturday. Go back a little bit. Right here. And that will track into the Rockies through Sunday and then into the Midwest, Great Lakes on Monday. Here's our, here's our system here. Okay, look at the period now for December 30th to January 3rd. And the flow remains generally the same. Strong pause-height anomalies here and here, or trough here, above normal heights in the west-southwest flow across the east central states. So what I'm forecasting for this period, let me get to the maps. Calling for below normal temperatures for this region, and I'm calling for anomalies of 2 to 8 degrees above normal. Greatest anomalies here. Above normal temperatures are forecast for this region with the anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for much of this region here, and the probability of occurrence is up to 45%. We're going to look ahead now for the period for January 4th to the 8th. And overall, the flow is generally the same. We still have our high anomalies in their place, but they're weaker. Trough here in the west kind of spreads a little eastward during time. And still have troughing here across the northeast and North Atlantic. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal. I think the greatest anomalies would be across this region. This might be extended further south. You have to see how that goes. The cool temperatures here. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and here. And the probability of occurrence is near 40%. So that's a long-range weather forecast discussion for December 25th through January 8th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.